I was 18 years old when I have just got my first ever internship. I had just completed my 12th course, and there was a like 3 months gap between the college starts. Instead of relaxing or like going out, I really wanted to try like the industry. I wanted to do internship on that period. I started applying for the internship that time. Though I was not even a design student, and I didn't knew anything about portfolio by the way that moment. So at that time I just made few of the posters, few of the video editing, how much I knew, and I put that in a drive and give that as a portfolio to the companies. I got rejected a lot of times. I got selected in two companies. One was paid, and the amount was almost of 7,000 to 10,000, and another was unpaid. Because for an 18-year-old, I think 7,000 was a huge amount. As also an like not experienced person, and without thinking twice, I just accepted it. And at that moment, I really thought that this internship will be giving me a huge exposure or like a head start for my new college journey or something like that. But honestly, I didn't had any idea that I would be crying for the rest of the 2 months. I will be like suffering from so much of headache because I didn't question anything. So this is the story of my first ever internship, and the only motive for sharing it here is that you don't do any mistakes. So the internship was supposed to be very simple. So the job description which they have given me was very simple. That it was a like 9 to 4 internship for 5 months, and there was a work of graphic designer. You will be given a particular brand for which you will be working with. And also they have mentioned that each day they will be giving you 3 of the work, and they need it to be submitted by 5, because after 5 the office gets over, so you have to give it by 5. And there is no such rule that you have to sit in front of the camera and have to work like that. So I was fine with that. And I had almost of 3 months that time ki, okay, I can work 3 months, and then after I do a little bit of doing, तो उसके बाद 2 months I can do it from college itself. कि पहले 2 months मेरे को लगा था कि उतना कुछ नहीं होता. They gave the stipend of around 7,000 to me. So it was a process before I joined the company, which was at very first they wanted my resume, तो वो मैंने दे दिया था. Then after there was a studio test where they gave me 3 assignments. So 3 assignments complete करके I had to submit it. There was a particular period time, तो वो करना था. And then after there was an interview round, and in interview round with 3 of the interns were there, including me. And uske baad they sent me an email that you are selected and all of this stuff. So if you want to do, send yes and please proceed with the link. तो उस link में सब कुछ लिखा रहा था कि yes, you will be getting 7,000 per month at the starting of the another month from 1 to 10. मतलब 1 से 10 दिन के बीच में you will get the money. And I was very happy as usual. First time you're getting the internship. And I was expecting to learn something from this, and also was excited to talk to new people basically. So then I joined their WhatsApp groups, and I talked with the graphic manager, the HR manager, and the product manager. So now at very first week, I was not given any work. They have given me few of the tutorials. So they told me कि तुम ये tutorials देखो, and then after we'll be coming back to you after 1 week, and we can proceed with the work. So I told okay. So I watched the tutorials. It was regarding Figma. It was related to a lot of the company and all of that stuff. So they gave me a brand for whom I needed to work. So everything was good till then, and उसके बाद I started working on the projects. So almost 1 week, 2 weeks after that 1 week वाला phase, honeymoon period. After that 1 week वाला phase, 2 weeks जो था, it was pretty normal, simple. That was good. The honeymoon phase got over. Okay, the work kept increasing. अभी increase कैसे हो रहा है कि at first they told that the content creator left the job, so we are hiring. It's in the process, but for now you have to work. You have to also write the content for us. So I told okay again. So I was okay with that. So I was writing the content, and also I was doing my work. And then they have suddenly, after 2 weeks, from 9 to 4, it went to from 7 to 10, like from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. And at first I was a little bit frustrated, but then I was like, okay, I'm free, I can do it. I was that much free that time. So मैंने किया काम, and I started feeling very stressed, because what used to happen is there was no such cooperation between any of them, and I used to think that कोई किसी से शायद बात ही नहीं करता होगा, because when I'm doing my work, I'm sending it to the graphic manager. He is telling yeah, it's good, and if there is any problem, he's also telling me that. तो मैं वो करके फिर मैं उनको दे रही, फिर वो डायरेक्ट ब्रांड को प्रेजेंट कर रहा है, ऐसा कुछ था. And फिर then what is happening I don't know. तो मैं दे रही हूँ, and then he's like okay, I will process it further, it's good. तो I was like okay. तो उसके बाद दूसरा काम दे दिया, तो मैंने वो किया बैठ के. And फिर after that day काम हो गया, 10 बजे काम खत्म हुआ. After that day सुबह, so the next day मैनेजर का मैसेज आया मेरे पास that this is not right, ये कैसा काम है, ये वो. सो आई थॉट कि ओके मतलब कुछ इशू हुआ होगा. उनको पूछा दैट कैन यू जस्ट टेल मी दैट what is wrong here so that I can make it correct. Then he told that अब क्या फ़ायदा, आपको करके फ़ायदा नहीं है, do remember the next time. So I gently told him that actually can you just say me that what is the problem so the next time मैं गलती ना करूँ. But because I have already like asked the graphic manager about this and he was okay and that's why it went to you. So he told that I don't know, make sure that you don't do this again. And I was like okay. मैं बहुत confused थी, like you don't know how confused I was that time. तो मैं गई ग्राफिक मैनेजर के पास द नेक्स्ट डे वर्क लेके एंड आई टोल्ड हिम दैट प्लीज कैन यू जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट यू टेल लाइक यू सी इट प्रॉपर्ली सो दैट यू कैन आल्सो टेल मी द रॉन्ग थिंग. देन ही टोल्ड क्या दिस यू कैन मेक इट चेंज. तो उस पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट में मैंने चेंज किया, पहले वाला नहीं जो तभी का था, मैंने चेंज किया. देन ही वाज लाइक यस दिस इज वेरी गुड, आई विल बी this is very good, just give it in a PDF format and I will be sending it. And next day the graphic manager messaged me and he told that the manager didn't like it so we need to change it. So it's like okay. Then he told that I think, then I asked that okay what I need to change, can you just tell me once so that I can do the changes, so that I can do the changes, right? He told like assume that he didn't like this and I was like assume, like you are assuming continuously and that's why I will be doing the redo thing. And I told him gently that this is not how it works, can you please ask him that what is the problem. And he told that he's not able to tell. And I was like, and I was so and then like he told me and I did that and that went on okay. And that time it was almost going to like the month was going to be over and फिर मैंने the next month started 10 तारीख हो गया था like and they told that नेक्स्ट मंथ का 1 से 10 तारीख के बीच में दे विल पे द मनी. पैसा नहीं है सो दे डिडंट गिव. सो अभी स्टार्ट्स द पेमेंट थिंग. तो पेमेंट आया ही नहीं मेरे पास. सो इट वाज ऑलमोस्ट 13 और 14. सो मैंने HR से पूछा दैट व्हाट इज रॉन्ग, लाइक व्हाई आई डिडंट गेट द मनी और समथिंग. So she told कि no we don't have the payment thing of yours and all of that stuff. So I told okay ask me whatever you want I will give that. She told just wait for 2 to 3 days and it will be gone in your account. I was like okay fine. तो मैंने फिर काम की. अब सडनली और ज़्यादा वर्क प्रेशर बनने लगा. What happened was that कि the more 2 interns which were there they left. Okay, with me one came and another was also there from the very start. She left, he also left, so both left and I was the only intern there. Okay, in that particular thing, in that particular department, and they gave me more work. Like 2 other brands work was also given to me and they were also not paying me the money. The first month पैसा भी नहीं आया था मेरे पास and I didn't tell no. No was a very big factor for me. Now I can understand. But yes, that was also the thing. I was a little stressed out and frustrated, but I didn't tell anything. I did. And bro, it was such a sleepless night and all. I was so stressed. And जब 14th पार हो गया, like 14th was over, I again messaged the HR manager. I was like, what is wrong? Why the money didn't came? So she told that no, it will be coming and just wait for a few days. There's such a problem in the company. Dash. I was like, okay, fine. And then after I started working on the other 2 projects also. वो करती रही मैं. तो वो चलता रहा, मैंने कुछ बोला नहीं. After few days only तो उन्होंने बोला कि हम लोगों ने एक writer hire किया है so you don't have to do that thing. तो I was like okay. Then at last somebody came. अभी I don't know why the manager didn't know about that. He messaged me the next day with the content and there was a poster with a lot of contents in it. तो मैंने पूछा कंटेंट राइटर से दैट इफ दिस इज करेक्ट और नॉट. तो शी टोल्ड कि यस दिस इज करेक्ट एंड I have checked it and I've also told sent it to the head. So he told that yes it's correct. I was like fine okay. So I wrote it, I did everything and I sent it to the graphic manager. The graphic manager also passed it. Okay. Next day this manager messaged me again and he told that you don't have any common sense. I mean this type of behavior, this type of things are not allowed in the company. I was very scared that time. And what exactly I did wrong? Like मेरे आँख से literally I was so scared. I was about to cry that time but I just told him that what is wrong. He told कि content में गलत है. And I was like मैंने नहीं किया है. That's not my job. And I asked the writer that if that's correct. So he was like, you are the graphic designer, you should know. So I told him very gently कि okay अगर grammatical mistakes भी होते तो you could have told me that okay why I'm not read or something. But इसमें instructions ही गलत है. तो आपने instruction वाला जो भी था तो वो उनको दिया था, right? I didn't get any of the thing. I didn't get any instruction regarding it. The graphic manager, nobody has given me anything about that. They just told me make this and whatever content she is giving, just put it in that. So he told, अच्छा, okay, I will talk to them and get back to you. And I was so done that time. And that time it was almost like 3 weeks हो गए थे, मेरे पैसे भी नहीं आए थे, and this kind of behavior I was getting, and I was very new to this, and I was like, oh my god, what I'm doing here. And 2-3 दिन हो गए, मेरे को फिर कोई काम नहीं दिया था तब तक. I was sitting and I was thinking कि कोई काम क्यों नहीं दे रहा मेरे को. I was so much upset with everything. And then after they told me that थोड़े दिन में फिर से we will give. And I again asked them for the last understand that मेरा पैसे का क्या हुआ, क्योंकि एक almost 2 to 3 days उन्होंने काम नहीं दिया था मेरे को. So I was very upset that भाई 2 महीने हो गए मैं एक साथ इतने काम कर रही हूँ, मेरे को 7,000 तक मेरे को पैसे मिले नहीं. ठीक है, तो मैंने वो पूछा तो शी टोल्ड कि नहीं थोड़ा इशू हो रहा था, ये हो रहा था, वो यू विल गेट द मनी सून, यू विल गेट बोथ द मनी इन द नेक्स्ट मंथ. एंड आफ्टर आई वाज प्रिपेयरिंग टू लीव दैट कंपनी, मतलब मैं सोच के बैठी हुई थी कि आई थिंक आई शुड मूव, आई शुड नॉट, बिकॉज एक बार कॉलेज स्टार्ट हो गया ना मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी ये, एंड दिस इज वेरी मच फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग फॉर मी. तो अभी मैंने छोड़ दी. मैंने बात की, मैंने ऐसे नहीं कि मैंने घोस्ट कर दिया समथिंग. आई टॉक्ड विद द एचआर, शी टोल्ड, शी वाज वेरी गुड, like I had a very good bond with her. Like 2 महीने में तो अच्छा bond create कर लिया था मैंने. So I told her, she told that why, what happened, it's okay if he has told you something, that's fine. I talked with him, he also told that yeah, he was his mistake, and all of this stuff. And she told that your money will be given to you and all. I was like, yeah, I've seen it, thank you so much, I'm not. So then she was like, you know, there is a thing that we will give the money how much you have worked on. So I was like, okay. So she then asked me, or she told that I will contact you further later. I was like, okay. So मैंने छोड़ दिया. उसके 2 महीने बाद मेरे को कांटेक्ट करके बोला कि जस्ट गिव योर व्हाटएवर यू हैव डन ऑन द प्रोजेक्ट्स इन अ वन पीडीएफ सो दैट आई कैन पे यू द मनी अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, देख के कि तुमने किया है कि नहीं. तो मैंने बोला कि ओके. तो मैंने दिया उनको सब पीडीएफ ना. शी टोल्ड कि 2-3 दिन में मिल जाएगा आपको पैसे 14,000 के. फाइन, आई वाज हैप्पी. 2-3 दिन बाद नहीं मिली. मैंने मैसेज किया, रिप्लाई नहीं आया, कॉल किया, नहीं, बिजी आया. सो यस, this was the thing. I was so sad that I was like यार hopes तो मत दो ना यार, मतलब करना नहीं है तो. But jokes apart, that was the story about my first ever internship. I know a lot of you maybe have faced similar or something different, but honestly I've learned 3 things, very 3 important things, and these are for the people who really wanted to do internship or wanted to try. So these are for them. देखो एक ना एक दिन तो you have to do internships, but these are the few key points if you don't know about, like what to ask, where to ask, what to do, what not to do. Even lesson is that you're not the only one who is being interviewed. Okay, you are also interviewing the company indirectly. मतलब description देख के ही I just accepted. I didn't even ask that what are the responsibilities या कुछ overtime का क्या scene है, payment कैसे क्या आएंगे. I didn't question this. Whatever they told, I was like yes. I never rechecked it when the interview was going on, and I didn't know about the feedback thinking and all of that stuff. So as that I have already done one more internship recently. I've just completed. So उसके बाद I just think you should really ask these other questions, which is what exactly will I work on? What are the working hours? Is overtime expected? When and how is this stipend paid? Who will I report to? That is the main important thing कि who will I report to, because मेरे को पता ही नहीं था कि after the manager, graphic manager, where the main thing was going on, like किधर जा रही थी मेरी project and all. So you should ask that. The second thing which I learned is that you should have boundaries. Boundaries really matters. Just by saying yes every time, you won't be a good intern, best intern, or the favorite intern, or something like that. You should know that where to say no, where to say yes. You should know the difference of that. I mean, that really matters, and that really sets a boundary. कि भाई इतने में तो इतना ही होगा. The third thing is, please do not ignore the red flags. में working hours बढ़ता जाएगा. You will be given 2 to 3 interns. You will be given 2 to 3 interns work also, and you will say yes. So वो सब red flags होते हैं. It will be done more to you because you're not saying no or not having any such of the boundaries. So I think both the first and second is interconnected, and that's the thing that you really need to stand up for yourself in that position, because at the end of the day you will leave that thing because you will be exhausted at the last. Yes, I think that's life. You will learn with the situations. And situations really build you. Even though the internship didn't go well for me, but I really learned a lot of stuff which really helped me in later internships, which I really did like few months back. Now that I'm in my 3rd year, so it's been 2 years almost that I have led that internship, and after that I did few of the freelance projects also. And I hope my experience really helps you in asking better questions. And if you had any similar like situations or similar experience, do let me know in the comments, because and yes, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.